Moving forward after you apply for a loan, when can we start to shop? For me, being a shopper, house shopping is the best shopping. So when do we get to start? I'm so excited. How do you choose a house to tour? Can I open all the cupboards and the closet doors? Tune in if you're interested, and let's talk about it. But first, welcome to Table Talks. I'm Carla, a realtor with Coldwell Banker Realty. Table Talks is where I answer your questions about the real estate with tips and ideas surrounding the subject. If you have a question, message me on social media at Selling Dwelling CO or LinkedIn and website at Carla Knight Homes. I will respond directly to you about your situation and possibly expand on the subject with a video. So yeah, yay, congratulations. You went through the mortgage process and you have an approval. But to clarify, there is a difference between pre-approved and pre-qualified. You are shooting for a pre-approval. It is a deeper look into the documents you provided to the lender to substantiate your financial position. We can look at houses with either qualifications, but an approval is stronger in an offer situation. Next is narrowing your priorities on what is important. I have committed to helping you find a home that meets your needs. There are thousands of homes in the areas where you are looking. Narrowing down to more than 5 priorities or less are your non-negotiables, so to speak. So that can make some houses stand out. So let the showings begin. I can take your list of homes that were emailed to you to schedule a time when it's convenient for you to view the house. And it's always good to remember that we're not looking for the perfect house. We are eliminating the houses that will not work for you and your family. That way the gems shine. Keep the listing packages and the brochures if they have any in the home, so that when we discuss the houses, we know that we're discussing the same properties. At times it may seem like the homes are all bleeding together. The listing packet is what I provide, and the brochures are what you can get in the home, can kind of help to keep them straight. It's also fun to name the homes, maybe a character that you like or don't like. Good way to identify them. And yes, look in the cupboards, look in the closets, look in the garage and yards. That's why we're there. If you are unfamiliar with the area, I encourage you to do a drive-by. Not that kind of drive-by. A trip through the neighborhood at different times of day to see what it looks like in different situations and familiarize yourself with the area. Most importantly, ask questions. As your representative, in this transaction, I can go through the seller's agent and we can ask as many questions as we may have and have them respond. A seller's property disclosure is part of any transaction, but it's not necessarily given until after we have a purchase contract. I attempt to get the seller property disclosures before you view the properties if the sellers are willing to share. The showing process can take as long as it needs to for you to find the home that works for you. In most instances, you may not get all 5 of your non-negotiables, but there will be other things that make up the difference. And I always love to see the look of love in my clients when they find the one that they absolutely adore. Text 720-626-9747 with the message app to receive the link to download my app. It is directly connected to the professional MLS service. Don't wait for syndication. Find out within minutes when a new home comes up for sale. And as always, message me if you have any kinds of real estate questions. If I don't know the answer, I can find it for you. Have a great day and hope you're enjoying the videos.